today's toys video, I will share with you about this toys called Balloon Pump Car. So Balloon Pump Car is a air-powered machine car that uses inflatable balloon, air pump to move that are very fun to play with. So later in this video, I will share with you on how to play with them as well as their benefits. So stay tuned. Please be reminded that the suitable age to play with these toys is 3 years and above because these toys comes with 3 parts. The first one is this pump, second one is this car, and the last one is this small inflatable balloon that can be a choking hazard for our little ones. So how to play with them? Firstly, we place this small balloon onto this hole, the upper hood, like this one. Then we connect them, the hole back here, with the hole, with the connector in the front for the pump. Then we use our force, fine motor force, to grab this handle here and push it downward to pump the air onto the balloon, like this one. We can do it as big as we want. Then to power the car, we push the button here, then it will go fly over there. So that's how we play with these toys. Next, I will continue with their benefits to our children. With these toys, children will learn basic physics, for example, aerodynamic to be specific, as it stimulates children to explore the magic of air power, then promote science interest in them. Secondly, it will help to develop children fine motor skill. For example, they will use fine motor, their hands or finger, to grab the handle here and using a specific force to pump this pump and to inflate the balloon here. And lastly, it will develop focus and patience in children. For example, they will need to be patient while inflating the balloon, and they will focus on the balloon here to see if they bigger enough. So that's all for me, and thank you for watching.